Your expensive gaming PC is sitting on the floor collecting dust and choking for air, but this simple steel bracket might just be the ultimate rescue mission for your desk setup. Most of us spend thousands on a high-end rig, only to leave it vulnerable to kicks, spills, and pet hair down on the carpet. That is where the Tower Stand Holder Universal PC Case Holder comes into play, and it is honestly a game changer for anyone looking to reclaim their floor space. This isn't just some flimsy piece of plastic. It is constructed from heavy-duty cold-rolled carbon steel, which gives it a surprisingly premium feel right out of the box. It is rated to hold up to 66 pounds, which is more than enough for even the beefiest mid-tower builds packed with liquid cooling and massive GPUs. What makes this stand out is the sheer versatility of the design. It features an adjustable frame that can hug cases up to 20.8 inches tall and anywhere from 5.3 to 9.2 inches wide. Whether you have a slim office workstation or a wider gaming chassis, this mount clamps down tight on the top and bottom to keep everything secure. One of the coolest features is the dual mounting capability. You can bolt it directly under your desk to keep your tower hidden but accessible, or you can mount it to a wall. Wall mounting is a fantastic option for standing desk users who want to keep their cables managed without worrying about tension as the desk moves up and down. It also makes reaching those pesky rear ports a total breeze, since you are not crawling around on your hands and knees anymore. Installation is straightforward with the included hardware, and it really cleans up the aesthetic of a room. It feels like a professional workstation upgrade rather than a cheap add-on. If you are tired of the clutter and want to give your PC the airflow and protection it deserves, this mount is a solid, no-nonsense solution that delivers exactly what it promises. It is a simple, effective way to elevate your entire computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.